Hey guys, this is Mrs. MacPhail. Today's video is on some more money problems. Money, 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 money! So let's get started. Mr. Nutty ran out of pencils, so he had to go buy some, okay? And in this video, we're going to practice. It's kind of like doing a shopping trip. You're going to go buy something, you're going to give money, you're going to get change, and then you're going to have to show me how you can make that with quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, the little symbols, okay? So Mr. Nutty went to go buy some pencils. Here's our pencils. And they're on sale. Lucky him. So he got 24 pencils for $1.49, okay? Now, he had $2, which is perfect. So he had plenty of money to buy the pencils. So he takes the pack of pencils, he walks up to the register, and he's like, hey, here's my pencils. And the cashier's like, hey, that's going to be $1.49. And Mr. Nutty's like, perfect. I got $2. So, first question, how much change or money back did he get? And the second question we're going to ask is, how can you show this in quarter, dimes, nickels, and pennies? So it's a two-part problem, okay? Let's look at the first part. How much change did Mr. Nutty get back? I'm going to flip over to my board so you can see. So the pencils cost $1.49. Mr. Nutty had $2. Now we know that we like to write the bigger number on top. So obviously $2 is the bigger number, so that one's going to go on top. So I'm going to write $2. I have a little decimal point there too. Minus $1.49, what the pencils cost. Okay, so I'm going to subtract this, and you can do this along with me too. It's actually better if you do it along with me because you're doing the work while I'm doing it. Can you take 9 from 0? So you got to go next door and be like, hey 0, do you have any cookies? And 0's like, I don't got any cookies. So you have to go all the way over to the 2 and be like, hey 2, do you have cookies? And they're like, you bet I do. And so the 2 is going to become, cross it out, it becomes a 1. Okay, you're going to bring those cookies over and put a little 1 in front of the 0. So now we have 10 cookies there. But keep in mind that we still got to bring all of those cookies back over to the 1's place. So let's cross the 10 out, and that's going to become a 9. And you're going to bring the 10 cookies over to here. So this number is going to become a 10 now. That's a little tricky. That's subtracting across 2 zeros, so it's pretty tough. You might have to go back and practice that a few times, okay? Can you take 9 cookies from 10 cookies? You bet you can. So 10 minus 9 would be 1. Can you take 4 cookies from 9 cookies? You bet. 9 minus 4 would be 5. And 1 cookie from 1 cookie, or 1 minus 1, would be 0. Okay? So when you do subtraction or addition with decimals, you just bring the decimal straight down. Okay? See how I did that? It was between the 0 and the 5 now. Before it was between the 1 and the 4 and the 2 and the 0. I just brought it straight down. Okay? So it stays in front of our dimes value. All right. So Mr. Nutty is going to get back 51 cents. So I'm going to write change or money back. So that answers our first question. How much change did he get back? 51 cents. Now, how can we show this in quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies? Well, we know that a quarter is equal to 25 cents, and another quarter is equal to 25 cents. So that would be 50 cents. And we know that we can show a penny too. That would be 1 cent. 1 cent. So that would be equal to 51 cents. So that would show his change back. All right. Watch the video again if you need to. Take the quiz. And we'll see you with Mr. Nutty and his brand new pencils. Later. Bye-bye.